Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam, and this is Purple Diamond Loropetalum from the Southern Living Plant Collection in 2 minutes. Purple Diamond is a really beautiful, vigorous growing variety that has the purple coloration throughout the plant. In the past, older varieties of purple foliage Loropetalum would have the purple on the outside but be very green in the interior. This plant holds its color even into the center of the plant. It gets the frilly, hot pink flowers on it spring and fall, and even some residuals during the summer at times. It's in the witch hazel family, so it has that same kind of frilly flower, but this is an evergreen member of the witch hazel family. It keeps this foliage year round. This variety, like I say, it's a vigorous grower, but it can be easily maintained between 4 and 6 feet in height and 4 to 6 feet in width. Nothing showier than this. This plant, it's hard to find things that are this drought tolerant, disease resistant, insect resistant, deer resistant, that require almost nothing from you, but have this kind of color year round. So this would make a great border plant or screening plant even between you and a neighbor if you just want to let it go. If you have a very high foundation or maybe a corner space on a foundation, it will work in that kind of space as well. A little hard to put in perspective just how many Purple Diamond Loropetalum are here. I'm down at Flowerwood Nursery in actually Loxley, Alabama, shooting a video here, but here's the foliage on Purple Diamond. Really just a beautiful plant. And these are hardy in zone 7 to 10. And like I say, are just resistant to most pest issues that you might get on other shrubs and trees, and look like this year round. So I would call maintainable at 4 to 6 feet in height a mid-size Loropetalum. These can actually be boxed off, and I've seen people frequently do that, or you can just let them grow in a kind of an open form with this beautiful coloration year round. Thank you very much for watching this video. The natural kind of shape is kind of an open, loose form with a dense, loose form. I don't know how to even say that.